Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to stake USDT on ByBit. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So what you have to do, you have to go over to more, and over here you're going to see recommend, buy crypto, trades, box S. Go over to the finance, and over here you're going to see ByBit Earn. So let me go over to it, and you'll be landed on this page where you'll be able to see a bunch of crypto. For example, you want to stake BTC, you're going to get 2.30, and in case you want to do Ethereum, which is 0.30, and USDT is 6.42%. and so let me go over to USDT. And you have to make sure that is at the flexible. They have different option, which is the flexible and fixed staking. So you have to make sure that is at the flexible. So you have to choose the amount. So you have to choose flexible and enter the amount of USDT you want to stake. When you are done entering the amount, so you have to go over to invest now to confirm the transaction. Once you are done with your USDT stake, then you'll be able to start earning rewards on ByBit. So this is how you'll be able to stake USDT on ByBit. And guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.